we play the next piece, I have been very remiss. In August, at the start of the new term, the personnel changed. People leave as they go to university. So the leaders of our different sections, the leader of the first violence, the leader of the second violence, change. And I should have introduced you for the first time on stage tonight as leader of the second violence, Stuart Mackay. Leader of the Ayrshire Fiddle Orchestra. A big round of applause for Kieran McHugh. The next item in the programme is a lovely waltz. Again from the pen, the prolific pen of Alistair McCulloch. And Alistair was asked to compose this for a certain lady's special birthday. A year ago, while we were rehearsing it, we weren't allowed to name it. It was just known as the waltz. But the secret can be revealed now. It was specially composed for our secretary, Kathleen Terrace. She's a year older now and actually playing it herself. Would you give a warm round of applause back on stage to conduct Kathleen's waltz, David Moore.